1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hey YouTube, here we are with another unboxing from Amazon, and let's go ahead and open this up. So what we actually have here is the Bins and Things stackable storage container with 40 adjustable compartments. This is actually from a seller by the name of Bins and Things. Now what's going to make this stand out is that it has 4 organizing trays and 40 compartments with adjustable dividers. So basically 10 per tray. It is fully see-through. It's lightweight. Now the handles on the side actually make it so when you stack them on top of each other, they do clamp into place, making it so when you pick it up by the main handle on top, you don't have to worry about them falling out of place. Now the nice thing about these containers is that you can actually use them for many things because the dividers are removable and adjustable. Besides household items like yarn, string, you can actually use it for toys as well as small tools or screws. Keep those in place. Plus, since it's see-through, you'll be able to look directly in and not have to open it up to see what's inside. Now, I've been using these bins to actually store screws, bolts, and other miscellaneous tools that I have inside my actual shed. And they've come in handy. You know, I have multiple dividers, I can see inside, and I don't have to worry about having to search for anything through drawers that I would have to constantly open and then recheck, when I can just simply look in and then retrieve what I need. So these do come in handy and work for what is needed. The nice thin design keeps it very minimalistic, but it's tough enough to hold a good amount of weight. Now that we've displayed the container, we're going to go ahead and have a little bit of slow motion fun.